guys, after you finish watching, make sure you grab our free trend direction dashboard from the link under the video. The dashboard alerts you in real time for the strongest and weakest pairs to be trading. You will always trade the strongest trends with our free dashboard for MT4. Make maximum profit every day. Hey guys! So this is the Anchored VWAP indicator for MT4. You can see it's a volume-weighted moving average with some added bands. So, the way to trade this is to look at the direction the VWAP is pointing. In this case it is pointing downwards. Then look for the price to approach the bands. What you want to see is the price to test inside the bands and to fall back into the overall trend. In this case we could go short when the price starts to fall, and place a stop loss above the upper band. Here is another example. You can see that the price and the bands are trending upwards. As the price begins to approach the VWAP bands, look for it to bounce. Trade in the direction of the trend, and always use a stop loss. The opposite side of the bands is a good place for a stop. If you want to know which trends will make you the most profit, make sure you download our free trend direction dashboard from the link on the video, or from the description underneath. You will always be on the best pairs to trade.